required to make this experiment is, first of all, you need a ball, a candle, matchstick, any container or a glass to cover that, and if you would need then some color for identifying it, and some water. So basically this experiment starts with here. We will first of all light this candle. Now we will put some wax in that, so that the candle starts straight when we put the water in it. Now the next step is, now I'm going to put water on this carefully. As you can see, I have put the water on this. Let it be this much. Now I'm going to put this one. So for better view, I'm putting some color in this, so that you could easily notice the water. And now I will stir it. You can see. Now I'll put this into. Now you can see what is going to happen. Now you can see it is going to blow out, and water level is getting rise up. This is because of the vacuum created by the blowing candle, which has been blown out, and there is a presence of vacuum, so that lower concentration is there in the glass, so water which is at higher concentration moves to a lower concentration area. This is a law which is common here. As you can see, now you can see over here, water from this container is no longer over there. And now if I'm going to put it up, there is some pressure exerted by me to pull this, because as the vacuum gets over, the water will come up. See, as you can see this. So this was this experiment.